Let's learn how to add a background image in Premiere Pro. First, add your clips to the timeline. To create space for the background, select all the clips, and drag them up one track, leaving an empty track below. If you already have a background image, drag the image onto the empty track below your clips. Adjust its length by dragging the edge so it matches the duration of your clips. If you don't have a background image, create a solid color background. Right-click in the project panel, select New Item, and choose Color Matte. In the pop-up window, click OK to match the resolution to your timeline. Use the color picker to choose your desired background color, and click OK. The new color matte will appear in the project panel. Drag it to the empty track below your clips and extend its duration to match. To change the background color later, double-click the color matte clip on the timeline and select a new color. That's it. You've successfully added a background image or color to your project in Premiere Pro.